Are you a working mom that's tried all the fab diets, strict diets, intense exercise routines, and find not only are they hard to stick to, they're just time consuming, and maybe you've been successful or unsuccessful in the past just to gain all that weight back, plus a couple? I get it. I totally get it. So I want to welcome you because that ends right now. Okay. I want to welcome you to the Knockout Babe Challenge, where I'm going to show you a tried, tested, and proven way to lose 3 to 5 pounds in just 48 hours. So exciting. It has been proven to work over and over again, whether you're a man, woman, or a child. It can be fun for the entire family. And there's so many benefits to what I'm about to show you. This is usually a special bonus training that I offer only to our Knockout Babe Society, but today it is my gift to you for free. Okay, because I want you to use it and I want you to see that it is absolutely possible for you. That you come out of this in 48 hours believing and having renewed hope that you have what it takes to reach your weight loss goals, to feel sexy, to feel confident, to wear those little bikinis you've been eyeing, right? To put on those heels, to be able to cross your legs, to walk around without chafing, to be comfortable in your own skin, and to most importantly, love yourself all over again, where you love yourself so much on the inside that it radiates on the outside, and that you are feeling like $1,000,000 because you deserve it. Okay, so the numerous health benefits here is not only is this going to accelerate your weight loss, and look at it like it's a natural detox for you, where you can literally do this every single month and reset yourself, right? Naturally cleanse your body. It's going to improve your brain health and clear out that mental fog. It's also going to cleanse your system. There's numerous nutritional and healthy protein benefits to this. And as an added bonus, it is great for your hair and those nails, okay? Because you know that's important to you, and you're lying to yourself if it isn't. So welcome again to the Knockout Babe Challenge. Before we get started, what I want you to do is I want you to really go and start getting in. You should become obsessed with the scale. The scale is no longer your enemy. I want you to view it as your friend, okay? Where you are going to wake up every morning, you're going to jump on that scale, you're going to take a picture of what the scale reads, and make sure that you submit those pictures to support@knockoutbabe.com. Every single month, we are going to be choosing some lucky winners to give away some absolutely insane and incredible and amazing prizes, and I want to make sure that you get in on the fun, okay? So part of this challenge is that there are things that you're able to drink and things that you're able to eat. Now, there is no limit to how much you can have. You can have as many as you want and not in a window of time. It's entirely up to you. You can start when you wake up and end before you go to bed, and there's no restriction to limit how much you have. The goal is that this is not only easy but highly effective for you, okay? It's simple, it's a no-brainer, it's highly effective and fits into your lifestyle, because that's important. As a busy mom, right, as a working mom, we get so busy taking care of our children that who's taking care of you, right? It's time for you to start taking care of you, for you to make yourself a priority, and it starts right now with this 48-hour knockout challenge. Okay, so there are certain things that you can drink when you wake up in the morning. If you're like me, you love to have that morning cup of coffee, that cup of joe, and you can absolutely have that. So you can have coffee with with either have it black or you can have a cream. So the goal is that it's a sugar-free cream. So it could be half and half, heavy whipping cream, or any flavored sugar-free creamer. Okay, on top of that, you can have any herbal teas. If you like a little bit of milk in your tea, you're going to replace that milk with half and half or heavy cream, or you can do a creamer, again, a sugar-free creamer. You can have as much water as you want. You can have sugar-free soda. If you're that person that loves carbonation, you can have some sugar-free sodas, okay? On top of that, here's the 5 main groups of food that you can have. That's eggs, meats, seafoods, veggies, and cheeses. And you can mix and match. You know, as parents, right, as a mother, what happens when we feed our kids breakfast? We try to make things fun for them. So you'll make like Mickey Mouse pancakes, or you'll make waffles that are in the shape of like some kind of animal, right? Making it fun for them, getting creative, putting smiley faces on food. That's what I want for you, is to make it fun. Weight loss should not be a struggle. Weight loss should not be a chore or a task. In fact, it should be enjoyable and fun and satisfying. And that's what this is going to do for you, is really get you to expand and be creative. Okay, so let's go through a couple meal ideas. I want you to see how the possibilities are literally endless for you. So you can have kebabs. They could be meat kebabs, veggie kebabs, seafood kebabs, any kind of kebabs, right? Chicken, steak, shrimp, sausage kebabs, whatever that is for you. On top of that, you can have meats and veggies. So think like chicken bowl. So I like to have sugar-free sauces like barbecue sauce or teriyaki sauce. You can have any sugar-free sauces or dry seasonings, as much of it as you want. On top of that, you can have fajitas, chicken steak, shrimp combination, whatever floats your boat. That's what you're able to have. So you can have bunless burgers, mushroom Swiss burgers, classic burgers. Maybe you want to have a smothered Southwestern burger, put an egg on top of the burger. All those things. It's just think animal style. It's wrapped in lettuce, okay? Or you can just do like a burger salad, are really delicious. On top of that, if you want to join my latest obsession, it's the portobello mushroom pizzas. They're absolutely to die for. I just put a little bit of pizza sauce on it. And the possibilities are endless with all the toppings. Have fun with it. On top of that, you can have cheese shell tacos, so you don't miss out on a Taco Tuesday. I've got your back, okay? You can have cheese shell tacos. You can have lettuce wrap sandwiches with any deli meat that you choose. And no matter what, any combination, any amount of toppings that you want, it's just wrapped in lettuce, and you find it with those lettuce wraps, right? What they call them, like lettuce leaves, or boats. Okay. You can also have an omelet, an array of omelets. I want you to think possibilities are endless here too. You can have a Southwestern omelet. You can have a veggie omelet, a meat omelet, a loaded omelet, a cheese and ham omelet. All kinds of things. You can also have eggs, bacon, and cheese and sausage cups. There's also, or you can just have like a lumberjack slam where you have meats, eggs, cheese, veggies, and the whole bits, just a whole spread. Okay, you can have a charcuterie board. There's so many different things that you can have. Literally have fun with it. That is the goal, is to prove to yourself that weight loss can be fun, and it is absolutely possible for you. Okay, you should have renewed hope. After this 48 hours, you will know that it's absolutely worth it. You have what it takes, that you can do this too, and that it's possible. I want you to go from impossible to possible. I want you to imagine what it'll be like when you no longer have to sit on the sidelines and let memories completely pass you by with your children, because you're now able to jump in those bouncy houses with them, go down those slides at the parks with them. You're able to take them on long walks without experiencing chafing or being out of breath. You're able to wear the clothes that you want to instead of the 5 outfits that you have to continuously rotate, right? You get to actually wear those ones. You can put on that sexy bikini you've been eyeing all summer, right? That's it's possible for you. You no longer have to check maximum weight capacities. You're able to be more present in your children's lives. So instead of just capturing memories of your child, you're able to be included in that, to be the active parent, that role model for your children, to show them that they can commit to things, that it's possible for them too, that you're passing these belief systems down to your children, and that you are that standout mom that they can absolutely admire. That's possible for you. You deserve it. And I'd like to welcome you to join us at the Knockout Babe Society. We literally are going to rev up your weight loss. In fact, we have a leading industry guarantee because we're so confident that we can get you to your weight loss goal without restrictive dieting, without intense exercising, without meal planning, meal prepping, and doing all that stuff, taking supplements galore, diet pills, or any of that. We know what's proven to work. I myself lost 94 pounds after becoming a mother in just 11 months. No strict dieting, no intense workouts at all. None of that's needed. And that's why we make the guarantee that we do. And that is that we will guarantee that we will support you 100% throughout your entire weight loss journey. And we'll continue to support you until you reach your weight loss goal. There is absolutely no catch, no gimmick. It's all about you. And we're ready to support you 100% through it all. And most importantly, not only will you lose the weight, but you will keep it off for good. This is the final program you will ever need to embark on this weight loss journey with a supportive group of members, and know that we know exactly what it takes to create that lifestyle that fits into your busy lifestyle. As a mom, we don't have a lot of time. And a lot of times you don't make yourself a priority. You spend so much time taking care of your children, taking care of your household, that who's taking care of you? It's time to make yourself a priority. It's time for you to stand up for yourself and to fight for you, and to really fight for you to be that better all-around woman, right? A better spouse, a better wife, a better parent, and make yourself a priority. Get that confidence and show your children that they have it inside of them too, and help them bring it out of them, and that it's possible. And you do that by showing that you can take care of yourself, just like we want them to take care of themselves. Right? We're always telling them as children that they could do anything they put their mind to. It's time for you to prove that to them. And it starts right now. It starts with you to prove that everything you've been telling your children, you are living proof of that and that you believe it to be true for yourself as well. And it starts by you joining us at the Knockout Babe Society so that we can support you through your entire weight loss journey and most importantly, help you keep it off for good. So the rest is history. This is the final program you will ever need. Click that button and join us right now at the Knockout Babe Society. We're ready to support you 100% because at the end of the day, you deserve it. You deserve to be completely comfortable in your own skin. You deserve to find something that works for you without feeling deprived, and knowing how to overcome the emotional habits, the emotional eating. We're going to help you get through it all. Right? We've got tried, tested, and proven methods to work over and over and over again without it being a chore, without it being a daunting task, without you having to change everything that you love. If food is here for you to enjoy, you should absolutely be able to still lose the weight consistently, effortlessly, easily, and effectively and keep it off for good while still eating all the foods that you love. Because Lord knows, pastas, tacos, they're all here to stay. All the sweets are here to stay. And you should absolutely learn exactly how to lose weight while still maintaining and keeping those foods that you love as a part of your life. Okay? Because there's no going to the barbecues and going out with your friends and going out with your family and worrying about what on earth I can eat and I can't have anything on the menu. Absolutely not. That's not what we teach you. In fact, we teach you sustainable weight loss, effective weight loss, and consistent weight loss without strict dieting or meal planning or meal prepping or intense exercises. We got your back. So make sure that you click that button, join the Knockout Babe Society. We're so excited to support you on your weight loss journey because we firmly believe that every woman should feel completely comfortable in their own skin and not just lose the weight, but build your confidence and reclaim your confidence all at the same time. Every woman, starting with you, deserves to feel like $1 million. And it starts with you. So it's time for you to make your priority. Now is the time for you to rise up, to stand for yourself, to commit to yourself, to make yourself a priority, to be that role model mother that you want so badly to be, and to show everybody what's possible. We believe in you, and it's time for you now to believe in yourself. So click that button, join the Knockout Babe Society. We cannot wait to welcome you to the family and to rock with you and give you that unwavering, unconditional support to help you throughout your entire weight loss journey. Be sure to click that button and roll with us today. And I can't wait to see you on the inside and to see you absolutely crush it and know that today is the first day of the rest of your life to embark on this journey with you. We can't wait to see you on the inside.